Hey guys, how's it going? How to generate AI images for free. Go ahead and click your browser and just type text to image AI generator. So one of the free websites that you can use Canva for them, right? I trust Canva because they generate amazing photos with a high quality. So you can rest assured that you can generate an images from this website. So let's have an example, cat walking, maybe. In the park, and then hit generate AI images, and then you're gonna wait, of course, for a few moments. It will take a moment until they generate this image, right? Just wait it out, okay? And as you can see right here, you're gonna be able to see a cat walking in the park, okay? So if you like what you see, you can go ahead and save it as a photo, right? I've used 1 of 49 credits. Make sure that you realize that, because every month they give you 50 credit, like a coin basically, to generate 1 image, 2 images, and all that stuff. And they will charge you for that 1 image as a credit. So let's find out the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.